Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to edit the patient dashboard. The patient dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of the details and past clinical data of your patients, beginning of their first visit to your practice. It includes several customizable widgets that you can update according to the needs of your practice. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the desired booking of the patient to open the diary sidebar. Click on the Patient Dashboard button. The Patient Dashboard screen will open. Click on the Edit button. From here, you are able to customize and update any created widgets or simply create a new one. Click on the widgets displaying on the top left to toggle the widget, either to enable or disable the widget. To remove a created widget, simply click on the Delete button. Alternatively, widgets can be updated by clicking on the gear icon. To create a new widget, click on the Add button. The Add Custom Graph screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons within this screen. In this video, we will walk you through creating a widget that displays the patient's recorded blood pressure vitals on a monthly basis as an example. Start by clicking on the description field and enter the name of the widget. Next, choose the border color by clicking on the border color field, which will open the color picker, and select the relevant border color. Now, select the relevant event template by clicking on the event template drop-down menu and select the applicable template from the list. If you want to learn more about creating and adding event templates, please refer to the Workflow Event Templates user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that all the information in relation to the event template selected will be integrated into the graph to be chosen next. We will now briefly go over the types of graphs as well as their functionalities. First, click on a type of graph drop-down menu and select the type of graph you want to use to display your data. The line graph can be used to display changes in clinical data over a predetermined period of time, showing the date on both the X and Y axis. Within the Advanced Settings panel, click on the Date Interval drop-down menu and select the date interval you want to display on your graph. To choose whether to display the date from the patient's date of birth or any other relevant time from today, click on the Date Shown By drop-down menu and make your selection. Next, complete the X-axis label field with the name that will be displayed at the bottom of the graph. In our case, this will be the date, with a minimum of 1 month and a maximum of 24 months. Complete the minimum field to display a value of 1 and the maximum field with a value of 24. Now, complete the Y-axis label with the name that will be showed at the left side of the graph. Since we are creating a widget for blood pressure, name the Y-axis label as such. Complete the minimum field with the value of 60 and the maximum field with 180. Enter the minimum and maximum patient age to display. Click on the Add button under Graphs. From here, you are able to select the path to which the system will fetch data from the selected event template. Since we are creating a widget for blood pressure, we will be adding 2 graphs named Sys and Dia, representing systolic and diastolic pressure. Complete the first name field. Then click on the Path drop-down menu and select the Blood Pressure Systolic option. If you wish to delete the added graph, click on the Delete button. Complete the second name field, then click on the Path drop-down menu once again and select the Blood Pressure Diastolic option. Next, we will take a look at the scatter graph. Like the line graph, the scatter graph will utilize the same fields as the line graph, except for the additional background image button. You are able to click on the Choose File button to import your very own graph image you wish to display. Afterward, you can provide the X and Y axis information that will be paired with your imported image. Next, we will go over the text graph. There is no X and Y axis for this particular graph, but only the date interval to complete, as well as the patient age range and graph parts. You will also have the option to display the graph in a grid format by clicking on the Display Data on a grid checkbox. Lastly, the image graph. The image graph is utilized to import the captured and imported images and photographs of the given clinical consultations performed. For the purpose of this video, we will be utilizing the line graph. Once satisfied with the information completed, click on the OK button. The newly created widget will display on the screen. To choose either to display or hide empty widgets, click on the Show or Hide Empty Widgets button. Finally, click on the Save button.